Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Take out your new voices book, children. Yes. So, in last class, I gave you homework, right? Did you all do it? Yes, this was your homework, right, children? I told you to write the crossword puzzle, right? Did you all try it? Can we do the answer now? Are you all ready to know the answer? Yes. First one. First for couple is pair. So write Pair. Okay. Yes. Did you all write pair? If you have written it right, put a tick. If you have written it wrong, don't worry. Erase it and write the correct answer. Okay? Yes. Next one. Middle of the night, 12 a.m. Where is number 2? It is here. What is it? It is midnight. Sorry. MIDNIGHT. Midnight. Okay. So it is 12 a.m. when it is night, middle of the night, it is called midnight. Yes. Next one, third one. We wear them on our feet. We wear them on our feet. What is it? What we wear? We wear shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Right? So we have done the 3-1, right? 3 sums we have done, right? One more we have. A magical creature to help. Who helps you? Elves. So we will write. It is elf. Okay? Yes. Next. Now we have done the down one. Now we are going to do the sleeping one. That is across. Okay? Yes. Third one. Odd. What is that odd? Strange. Very good. STRANGE. Strange. Very good. I hope you all have done this, right? Yes. Next, fifth one. What you get on your birthday? What will you get on your birthday? You will get gift. Yes. So it is G O Uh-oh. G-I-F-T. Gift. So did you all write it, children? Yes. Did you all find the answer? If you have got the answer right, put star here. 3 stars. Very good. Superb. Very good. So next, what homework I gave, children? I told you to find the answer for this, right? Yes, did you all find the answer? Did you all get the answer? Can we mark it now? Yes. First one, strange. This or new. Okay. Second one, surprise. Feeling when we see something we see something new. Quietly, without making noise. Without making noise. Thankful. Feel happy to get something. Feel happy to get something. Delighted. Very happy. Yes. So did you all do it correctly? Yes. Very good. Clap your hands. Put star for you. 1, 2 and 3. 3 stars for you. Yes. Very good. Yes. Now we have done this, right? Did you all do it? Yes. We also learnt where to use is, am and are, right? It is I am Nita. Yes. I am Apurva. So when you say, what is your name? You are like that you will say. When I say you are a girl. You are a boy when I am pointing you, right? Yes. I am Sunny. I am a teacher. Yes. So we wrote this, right? Last class we wrote this, right? It is an apple. Yes? Did you all write it? Very good. Now look at the picture and answer the question like this in our active English, right? It is going to be like that. Very good. So next, what is she doing? She is washing, right? She is washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G. Washing. She is washing. Yes. Next word. What are they doing? They are playing, right? They are playing. They are playing. What are they doing? They are playing football, right? You all will play football. How many of you like football? I like to play football. When school reopens, we all will play football, okay? Yes, superb. So, next one. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are walking. Right? They are walking. Walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. They are walking. Yes. Did you all write it? Then the next one. What it is doing? It is jumping. Right? It is jumping. Yes. So next we have our picture composition. Okay. So take out your note and you are going to see to the pictures. Okay. I will explain you what is this. You can try it. Okay. Look at this picture carefully. What do you think it is happening? Now write 5 lines. Okay. You are going to see to the picture and you are going to write a story. Okay. What happens? A boy is sitting under the tree and he see a bird, a small bird has fallen down. And what he is doing? He is picking up the bird and he is climbing up and putting it back to the nest. Yes. So, can you all form a sentence? Yes. When a picture is given, you have to see to that and write. You have learned that, right? So, what is it? A boy is sitting under a tree and he sees a bird falling down. And then what he do? He is taking the bird and trying to climb up and keep giving it back to its mother in its nest. And he feels very happy. So can you all do like this? Will you all try doing this one, children? Yes, take out your classwork and with the help of your parents you can write it. Okay, children? Yes. So, you all practice this. In the next class, I will give the notes for this lesson. Okay, children? Till then, be safe and enjoy. Thank you. Sai Ram.